Croeso cynnes i chi gyd yma heddi. Ni'n lansio heddi y digwyddiad sgiliau a gyrfaoedd mwyaf a welwyd yng Nghymru erioed. Bydd eich clasur ei hunan yn cael ei gynnal yma yn y lleoliad hwn rhwng yr 11 ar 15 a'r 19 o mis Medi.
Skills Cymru 2010 will be a massive 3-day event here in the Millennium Stadium.
People increasingly know that skills are important, but we're not reaching everybody in Wales, and we need to do that. So a big high-profile event that's fun, that's interactive, that lets different education providers, colleges, universities, as well as employers show their wares, should hopefully just help us to raise our game in Wales.
As the economic upturn happens, it's important that our people have the skills to benefit from that. If we're going to attract investment into Wales, if we're going to grow jobs within Wales, we have to make sure our people have the skills and the confidence that those skills bring in order to benefit in the future in terms of growing our economy.
I think it is a platform for young people to be able to show their skills, and for young people who are coming through education to say, well, I'd like to do that as well. So encourage them into more vocational training.
It's going to be the biggest event that Wales has had, so we're delighted to be a sponsor, delighted to be a part of it, and can't wait for September.
It's vital. So I'm very admired and thankful that this is happening in Wales now. Yeah.
Now is the time that really employers in particular, but individuals, colleges, universities need to concentrate on developing the skills agenda.
I'm only 22 at the moment, and I'm running my own business, so which is not many people doing that at the moment.
Believe in yourself. It gives you self-confidence. So as long as you believe in yourself, know you can do it.
Developing skills up from basic skills to higher level skills will be absolutely crucial for us if we're really going to live up to the claim that we make of being a small, clever nation.